Hi, Colin. Where did we just come home from? Did we go to Grandma and Poppy's? Did we go to Grandma and Poppy's? Yeah? Yeah, did you have fun? You got to hang out with Uncle Brian? Right? You're making funny faces at Uncle Brian. Yeah. What'd you have for dinner there? Do you remember? That's right. For Similac? Did you have some Similac? Yeah? The rest of us had pork chops? What do you think? Was it fun? Yeah? Are we going to go back tomorrow? You going to go visit Grandma and Poppy tomorrow? What do you think? Yeah? Did Poppy make you fly? Yeah? Did you go flying? Yeah, it was fun, right? Get your hands out of your face. We can't see you. What are we going to do tomorrow? I have the whole week off. Are we going to go walking? Early? Going to go to Ridgewood? Maybe take Dexter Doggy? Yeah? Should I take Dexter? Should I take Dexter Doggy? What do you think? Should I take him if he behaves? Yeah? I guess we'll take him. And then you're going to go visit Grandma and Poppy? While I go to the gym and work out? Yeah. You won't see Uncle Brian tomorrow, though. He has to go back to work. Well, you can make funny faces at him again in a couple weeks. Right? You're giving the stare down? Were you giving Uncle Brian the stare down? Dexter just came in. Should we say hi to Dexter? Yeah, we'll say hi to your doggy. All right, let's say hi to Dexter. 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 Hey. Dexter. You busy with your bone? Wanna go outside? That always gets you. Are we going to go to the park tomorrow? Are you supposed to be on that carpet? Grandma will be very mad if she saw you on that carpet. You're in trouble. Grandma's going to yell at you and swat you on your butt. You don't want Grandma to swat you on your butt, do you? Go back to Colin. We're back. Yeah. You having fun? Are we going to take Dexter Doggy for a walk soon? Are you excited for that? You're dancing. You're all in your pajamas. I might have to wait till you go to sleep. I think it's too cold to take you outside now. Let's check up on Dexter. Dexter! Hey, you go outside? You go outside soon? You wanna go to the park? No, we're not going to go to the park till tomorrow. Alright, we gotta sign off. It's almost bedtime. You say bye-bye? You say bye-bye? Okay, that counts. Say bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.